A lot of times people say if you're doing well in professional life, women don't do well in their personal life, or how does one strike a balance?
It's very important to have a secure partner, a partner who's not secure with your certain amount of having to do well or being able to be successful. So if a successful woman is very important to have a very, very
Secure partner.
secure partner, because the minute a partner is a little uncomfortable with that, then that's an issue. I think women are very good with balancing their lives. I don't think we give ourselves credit, and we should give ourselves credit, because I think we are wonderful when it comes to balancing personal and professional. There's an exception to every. I mean, I'm sure, sometimes things are a lot tougher than it seems. I would definitely say that women are fantastic. Some women are okay with wanting to take a back seat. Some women aren't okay with it. So I think it's a very personal decision. And I don't think I'm somebody who'd sit down over here and turn around and say, no, don't. I think it's very unfair. Fine example is somebody in my house, my sister. My sister was a working woman. She did films, she did television, she did this, whatever the day. She got married, had children. She said, "Bas ho gaya, nahi karna hai mujhe." But that doesn't mean, being at home, being a homemaker is any less than, going to an office or being in front of a camera. That doesn't mean she has given up on her aspirations or her desires in life. No, she has chosen to do that. And not me, not you, anybody can sit down and judge that process.
Yeah.
That's her choice. My choice is I choose to continue to work even after being married or even after having a child, which is, again, there's nothing wrong with that. So I think every choice is a very personal and a very individual choice.
Earlier on you mentioned about how your mom always said that you must be independent, right? Or have that security. But do you think that also comes from a place of insecurity? कि अगर कल कुछ ऐसा हो जाए तो I always want to
Obviously. I mean, we come from that middle class family also कि देखो, पहले तो सब save करो, जो भी आप कमा रहे हो, बैंक में डालो, FD में, it's typical. We've been brought up like that. So yes, I think it also comes from the fact that you should be prepared for a rainy day. That is it. But I feel there's nothing wrong. My mom I think the fact that she has pushed us to be a certain way, I think that has only helped us, because I don't think we've ever taken anything for granted. I've always felt the need to do something just so that tomorrow, if ever there was a situation, if ever I was in a situation, I don't need to be dependent on anybody. I don't need to fall back on anybody. I feel like I can stand on my own 2 feet, take care of myself, my home, my child, anybody around. So it's very important to have that self.
What's your perspective towards money?
Like I said, I come from that school of thought कि जो भी आप कमाओगे, out of 100 rupees, spend 10 rupees and 90 rupees save. We come from that upbringing, but of course with time,
It's a very chamber thing.
I don't know whether it's a chamber thing. I think it's just whatever.
Yeah.
So as I've gotten older, with age and things like that, I've also realized that I need to enjoy what I'm doing. I need to enjoy the money that I'm making, which means, and I've realized that pretty late in life. Like earlier also, I felt कि नहीं, जो भी पैसे आप बनाओ कि invest कर दो, whether घर में या जो भी, मतलब. Till one fine day, I was told कि listen, what are you working for if you're not going to enjoy it? And then I realized कि हाँ, अब मुझे enjoy करना है. So which means I started taking more holidays and spending a bit on myself. Anything can happen tomorrow. Yeah, there's no guarantee. Demonetization can happen. COVID can happen. Anything can happen.
Yeah.
So let's just live to the fullest. So yeah.